Hello everyone, I'm a computer programmer in CJSOP, so we are here to learn Python programming. Let's go! Alright, on my Python programming language, I am going to, on my desktop background, rather, I am going to open my Python folder here. So you see, I double click here to open, and I'm coming here to type CMD. So when I type CMD here, so I've opened my CMD environment. I have to open my uh, code. I have to right click on the background of the folder here and click on open with code, and the code will be opened. The code will be opened, and here I'm going to double tap. Yes, and I'll press Control S. Here you can see it on the screen there. So I'm going to give my Python folder a name over here. Okay, so we need to save the name. We need to give our Python file a name. To me, I'm gonna say Python underscore variable underscore names. Yeah, look at the name I want to give my Python file here. I'm gonna click on save. Yes. So now over here, I've saved my Python file. Now one thing you should know is that Python has types of variables. Yes, in Python we have types of variable name. Yeah. Now let's start. Good. In Python, x assign sorry. Let me increase the screen a little. Yeah, you're gonna see it on the microscope to see what I'm doing, folks. So in Python, x assign 5. This is called short variable name. Yeah, this is called short variable name. And also in Python, when you are talking about descriptive variable name, we can say age. Descriptive age assign maybe 60. Yeah, this is called descriptive. Yeah, this is called descriptive variable name. Now in Python we have 3 ways of declaring descriptive variable name. For instance, when you want to type something like age of a mother, Python cannot accept this as a variable. No, these are different variables. Age is a variable on its own, of is a variable on its own. So how can you make this thing readable to Python? Now in Python, we have 3 types, three types of declaring variable or variables. Oh. Okay, all right, so let's start now. Number one, we have the camel case. Yes, the camel case. Yeah. Number 2, we have the Pascal case. And number 3, we have the snake case. Snake underscore case. Yes. So now these are the three ways of declaring descriptive variables in Python. Now let's proceed. Now let's start with the number one. When you're talking about, I'm going to use this age of a mother as an example. Copy this and come here. Now, age of a mother in camel case, we are going to do it age of a mother. Yes, age of a mother assign 70. Assign 70. So what is this talking about? You see, the camel case here indicates states that the first letter of the variable must be what? Small letter. Yes, the first letter of a variable must be what? Small letter. So that is what camel case. Now let's go on to the Pascal case. The Pascal case of age of a mother states that the first letter will be capital letter. So we have age of a mother. Maybe we'll put this one, assign 70. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, assign. So the Pascal case states that the age of a mother, the first letter A will be in capital letter. Why the camel case states that age of a mother, the first letter A will be in small letter. So without wasting time, let's go to the snake case. It's the age of a mother. So we come here, put underscore. Come here, put underscore. Come here, put underscore. Now assign maybe 90. Yes, this is the snake case. The snake case makes use of underscore. Yeah, the snake case makes use of what? Underscore. So these are the three ways of declaring descriptive variable names. Descriptive variable names, when you're talking about more than one words in a variable as a variable name. Now let's go deep down again to rules of declaring variable. Rules of creating variables. Okay, rule number one. A variable name can begin a variable name can begin with a letter or underscore, underscore character. Underscore character. I think my character. Yeah. This is rule number one. Rule number two. I think I need to solve them one after the other. Yeah, let's take them one after the other. So we can say underscore assign 45, 46. Let's print underscore. Print underscore. Yeah. Now let's go over here and type pi. Let me increase it for you. Let's go over and type Python underscore variable underscore names.py. Now you see it prints what? 46 for me. Yeah, it prints what? The 46 for me, because a variable name can start with underscore. Even though if now this rule number one. Rule number two, okay, let's say a letter, x is a letter, assign 90. Yeah, we can also print x, and let's go. Let's run this code again. You see 9046 is printable. Now let's fire. So rule number two, a variable name must not begin with a number. Now let's go. 2x assign 45. Print 2x. This is going to give us syntax error. Yeah, we are going to have syntax error here. Come over here, print. You see, we are having syntax error. 2x, a variable name must not start with word 2. A number is not good. A variable name must not start with 2. We must not start with any number at all, rather. So let's continue. Rule number 3. Yeah. Rule number 3 states that a variable name must not contain hyphen character. Yeah, so let's say we have age hyphen of hyphen child assign 15. Let me say 12. Print this. I want to copy this, please Ctrl C, and come here, Ctrl V. Now I want to show you the error it gives to us. Wow, you see, syntax error. You see, I think this syntax error is coming from here. Let me comment this, and clear the screen. Now you see syntax error. You see, yeah, a variable name must not contain hyphen character. Yeah, a variable name must not contain hyphen character. That is one of the basic rules here. So another rule again is rule number 4. Number 4 is variable names are case sensitive. Yeah, variable names are case sensitive. Now let's do the example. When you say x, assign 5, or we've used s a lot. Let's go to another. Let's say small letter p, assign 60. Capital letter P, assign 98. Print. I wanna do some technical. Print the value of P small p is assigned P. Okay, let me copy this waste of time. The value of capital P is this. So let me explain the code. Case sensitivity simply means that I think I need to comment this too for it not to prevent the code from running successfully. Case sensitivity simply means that the computer system, the computer variable is case sensitive. This is P and this is P, but this is small letter P and this is capital letter P. So you see, the two of them are going to print their value. So even though they are the same P, but the case sensitivity stays there that both small letter P and capital letter P can print different value. You understand? So now let's print this. You see, the value of P of small p is 60 and the value of capital P is 89. Now let us change this capital P to small p. Now we are going to see that both the small p and capital P, both the this second capital P will override this first capital P. Yes, this second one will override the first one. So let's get onto our command line and print. You see, small letter P, you see, small letter P 89, capital letter P 89 as well. So I guess you will enjoy this tutorial, and please, if you like my if you find this my tutorial interesting or you learn anything good on my tutorial, please like my video, share my video and comment on my video. Please, I beg you, if you have any problem concerning my video, maybe you want to ask question, you can reach me to my social media handle on Facebook, CJ Soft, or you can comment your question on my YouTube channel. So thank you. Please make sure you subscribe. These are the types of variables we have in Python, and rules of declaring variables in Python are what I just gave to you right now. Yeah, number one, the variable can start with underscore character or a letter. Yeah, number two, the variable must not begin with a number. So these are the important rules of what Python variable. So please, thank you and God bless you. Make sure you subscribe to my video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more, and turn on the all notification button to get more notification anytime we upload our video. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. If you have any problem in Python programming relating to our video or my video, please, I am begging you, don't hesitate to send it or send your question or write it down on the comment section, or contact me through my Facebook page, CJ Soft on Facebook, Instagram, X. So thank you and God bless you. Bye bye. Subscribe. Don't fail to hit the subscribe button. Bye.